Give me 18 minutes and I will make you dangerously smart with algo trading. Most traders today are doing something very dangerous. They are outsourcing their thinking. They blindly follow Telegram calls. They copy strategies they don't understand. They change setups every week and slowly they train themselves to become replaceable trader, which is tragic because trading systems, when used right, can make you dangerously smart. Not emotional, not reactive, but calm, structured, repeatable. In the next 18 minutes, I will show you how the smart traders in India use Quantman not to trade more, but to think better. Quantman is used by 1,50,000 plus traders in India, not because it promises profit, but because it forces clarity. And here is the irony. Beginners use Quantman to automate. Professionals use Quantman to understand themselves. The top 1% traders don't use systems to get signals. They use systems to remove noise. And that's what this video is about. Step 1. Intelligent laziness. Let me ask you something honestly. How much time do you waste on things that don't move your P&L? Watching 5 indicators, tweaking candle colors, backtesting random ideas, sitting in front of charts all day feels productive but produces nothing. This is a psychological trap, a completion bias. Your brain gives the same dopamine whether you test the strategy properly or just feel busy. So everything feels important, which means nothing is. 2 curves of trading effort. Curve 1, capped payoff tasks. Indicator tweaking, chart watching, manual backtesting, emotional trade journaling. Do more, but results don't improve. This is where you must be intelligently lazy. Curve 2, uncapped payoff tasks. Strategy logic, risk rules, execution discipline, drawdown control. 1% improvement is equal to massive edge. How Quantman fits here? Smart traders use Quantman, automate the boring parts, standardize execution, remove manual errors. So their brain energy is reserved for decision quality, not button pressing. Lazy where it does not matter, obsessed where it does. The drag framework. Here is the simple rule the best Quantman users follow. If a task is repetitive, emotional, or mechanical, remove yourself. D for drafting. Use Quantman for convert ideas into rules. No vague thoughts, only logic. If this happens, do this. Or for research. Backtesting across years, across instruments, across market conditions, in minutes, not months. A for analysis. Let the data show you drawdowns, expectancy, win rate, capital curve behavior, not your emotions. G for grunt work. Order placement, execution timing, position sizing. Let the system do it without fear. Step 2. The intelligent hill. Why most traders stay stupid? Most traders treat systems like calculators. Tell me buy or sell. That's zero short trading, pure gambling. Smart traders climb the intelligent hill level 1. One setup, one clear strategy, one logic, one market. Level 2, few variations. Same logic, different time frames, different risk models. Level 3, recent testing. Why did this fail? When did it work? What conditions broke it? Level 4, system thinking. You stop asking which strategy. You start asking which market conditions fit my behavior. Quantman doesn't give just results. It shows patterns you could not see emotionally. Step 3, the intelligent gym, where real traders are built. Most people misused automation. They use the system as a wheelchair for thinking. But the best traders use Quantman like a gym. Information tasks remove frictions. Transformation tasks add friction. Here's how pros use it. Design a strategy yourself. Test it brutally. Let Quantman expose weaknesses. Refine rules. Repeat. Quantman doesn't make you lazy. It forces accountability. Every rule you write reflects your discipline. Progressive overload for traders. Smart traders don't jump strategies. They increase complex complexity gradually. Level 1. Does this idea even survive? Level 2. Does it survive volatility? Level 3. Does it survive drawdowns? Level 4. Can I survive executing this? Quantman let you test your psychology, not just strategies. That's rare. Step 4. The intelligent fool. The most hardest part. The biggest enemy of trading intelligent is ego. Smart traders say, I don't know. They test instead of defending. They validate instead of arguing. They delete strategies without emotion. Quantman rewards humility. It doesn't care who you are. It only cares about rules and outcomes. And that's why it's uncomfortable. But discomfort of your ego is where growth happens. The real truth. The goal of trading intelligence is not more trades, more indicators, or more signals. It's clarity. When rules are clear, fear reduces, execution improves, decisions simplified. Quantman doesn't make you rich. It makes you hard to say, and that's far more powerful. If you want to trade emotionally, Quantman is not for you. If you want to think clearly under pressure, test your ideas, and build a system that reflects you. Subscribe for more videos on systems, psychology, and structured trading. Thank you.